A stark difference can be felt between Macomb and Oakland counties, two places with differing mask policies, yet two places that also are seeing more and more protests.
We're working towards a common goal here.
Outside the Macomb County Health Department, this crowd rallying in support of mandating masks for kids in all schools, a step that's not been taken by the county at this point.
For me, it's very personal that I support the mandate because I have young children who are 5 years old and they can't be vaccinated right now. So masking keeps them safe, it keeps our community safe. And on a personal level, the first child in Michigan to die of COVID last year was Skylar Herbert, and that was our cousin.
I have actually twin boys that are 5 years old that are going into kindergarten. Sometimes the districts don't make decisions that are best for everyone. They consider people who are like themselves, and the most vulnerable of us end up getting left behind.
We asked policy expert Skip Mongo just how a decision like this is reached when it comes to masks and schools. He says a county executive or other leader ultimately consults with all available health experts and school administrators, placing public health above politics. Then, from there,
once a decision like this is made, how is it then implemented?
You enforce it. You enforce it like you do every other law and or ordinance.
in a public video message just released.
We see it, we hear it.
County Executive Mark Hackle telling the community so far it's best to let school districts decide what works best.
You've got some school districts that are saying they do want to require masks for kids. They want to accept those, I guess, recommendations. And there are some that are saying, you know what, we're okay with where we're at.
Save our children!
In contrast, earlier in Oakland County, another protest, this time against masks being required for kids in school. It comes as the Oakland County executive mandates mask wearing in the name of keeping all of us safe.
We will not comply!
If we're going to keep all of our kids safe in our schools, then they need to be masked up.
Executive Coulter says part of his decision-making also involved consulting with state and federal experts at the CDC. Simon Shayket, 7 Action News.